Hi everybody. I know it's been a long time since we released the video. We've just had a really busy summer. Lots of things happening. So we haven't been able to get out on Inconceivable as much. She's in the water, as you can see. I filmed the splash, you'll see that. I did a bunch of work on her this spring, still on the hard. I'll put that together and you'll see that. I intend on doing more sailing. I desperately want to go sailing and film it, put it out there. This year's plan, I have like destinations that I want to get to. You know, Dan and Ingrid go over to Atlantic Highlands and grab a ball for a night or two. That sounds like fun. We haven't camp cruised on this boat yet. We'll go out and do day sails. I want to go somewhere, sleep over, come back, you know, do some camp cruising, really start getting used to the boat in a cruising context, because that's my ultimate goal. We'll discuss ultimate goals in another video. I've got some plans, but you know, there's Atlantic Highlands, there's the harbor, New York Harbor. There's a cool anchorage in New York Harbor that I want to check out, and up the East River, there's an anchorage over there, just north of Roosevelt Island. There's places all over the place that I want to sail to and anchor overnight, do a little camp cruising. So that begins in earnest now. Well, not now. Now I'm on the boat. I need to add dock lines because it's supposed to blow tonight. They're talking upwards of 30 knots with gusts into the 50s. Okay. Should sleep over because that's a kick. But go home and take care of Max. I think that pretty much is it. Just stick with us. I know it's been a long time since we released a video. A bunch of, you know, bullshit, making cutting boards and buckets, and it wasn't sailing. I love the sailing stuff, so we'll get back to that. Meanwhile, that's it for now. See you soon.